Nice and easy. Yeah. Let the sisters walk with me. Let's communicate with me. In these times, this struggle we see. Temptation, frustration, desolation.
We have fever grass and Canada English mint. So as we say, enough things a year. If once we plant the right food, we don't have to really go to the shop.
Exactly. Sugar cane. We are here to restore and revive the garden within us and the garden within the entire earth. The Garden of Eden isn't just one location. The Most Highest Divine created the entire earth as a garden. Water, land, vegetation, light, dark, trees, animal, birds, etc. are all considered the Garden of Eden. We're all birthed for the entire existence of earth, for us to inhabit and mine the earth. Let's all restore the Garden of Eden in our own yards to sustain, nourish, and provide for our communities to have a bountiful harvest for all. Here are some examples of how we can play our part in the restoration of the garden. By simply saving seeds, roots, and bringing back the bartering system, we'll restore and recreate a bountiful harvest for all. The goal is sustainability and natural livity. There are so many ways to get involved in our community. However, most of these sustainability projects need further funding and or donations to be successful. Join us in this transformative journey. Donate today to help restore the Garden of Eden and make our community self-sustainable. Every contribution, big or small, brings us one step closer to a thriving, sustainable future. Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey. May the Most High bless you, guide, and protect you while you're on your mission to your purpose. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Thank you for your love and support.